In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Starbucks 2026 step by step. If you want your latte ready the moment you walk in and you like collecting rewards, the Starbucks app makes it simple. We'll walk through the whole flow from opening the app to picking up at the mobile order counter so you can skip the line with confidence. First, download and open the Starbucks app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the Order tab. If the app asks to use your location, allowing it helps you find nearby stores faster, but you can also search manually. Next, select your location. You can choose a store from the map or use the search bar to find a specific branch. Make sure the store you pick shows mobile order and pay as available, and glance at the hours so your pickup time fits. You can usually choose pickup as the method. Some stores also offer drive-through pickup if that's convenient. Now, choose your drink. Browse by categories like hot coffees, cold coffees, frappuccino, teas, and refreshers. Or type the drink name into search. Tap a drink to see its details, then pick your size. The menu can vary by location and season, so if you don't see a favorite, try a similar category or search for the base drink. After that, customize. This is where you dial in your preferences. Select your milk or alternative, adjust espresso shots or caffeine levels, choose syrups and sweeteners, and set temperature or ice level. You can request light, regular, or extra toppings like foam or drizzle, and opt for decaf or fewer pumps if you prefer less sweetness. Keep an eye on the price preview, as customizations can change the total. When it looks right, add it to your order, and repeat for any additional items. When you're ready, pay inside the app. Open your cart, review each item, and check the estimated pickup time. If you have rewards or offers, apply them here. Then choose your payment method, such as a Starbucks card balance or a saved card, and place the order. You'll see a confirmation and an in-app status while the barista prepares your drink. Finally, go to the store you selected and head straight to the mobile order counter. Your cup will be labeled. Simply confirm it matches your name and order, then grab and go. If anything looks off, politely ask a barista and they'll help. That's it. No waiting in line, and you earn rewards on eligible purchases. Try ordering a few minutes before you arrive, especially during busy times, for the smoothest pickup.